If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality scratch remover to keep your car's paint looking flawless, you're in the right place. In today's roundup, we're diving into the top 5 best scratch removers for cars available right now. Whether you're dealing with light swirl marks or deeper paint imperfections, we've got a solution that'll help you restore that glossy, showroom finish without a trip to the body shop. You'll find all the product links mentioned in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Hype Tech Picks for more of the latest top picks. All right, let's get into it. First up, Carfidant Scratch and Swirl. This kit is a fan favorite for good reason. Whether you're dealing with light scratches, swirl marks, or surface blemishes from road grime, Carfidant offers a simple, effective solution without needing professional help. The kit includes a specialized buffing pad and a professional-grade rubbing compound that restores clarity and gloss to your car's paint. It doesn't just hide scratches, it actually removes them. What makes this product shine is its ease of use. Even if you've never detailed a car before, you'll find it straightforward. You apply a bit of the compound to the pad, rub in small circles, and let the formula do the heavy lifting. It's safe on all paint types, including clear coats, single-stage, and multi-stage finishes. Beyond scratch removal, it tackles oxidation, water spots, and minor surface contaminants. There are no added colors or scents, which makes it ideal for anyone sensitive to harsh chemicals. And if you're worried about compatibility, don't be. This kit works across most makes and models. It's a solid go-to for daily drivers who want that glossy, well-kept look without breaking the bank. In second, Meguiar's Mirror Glaze M10508. If you need something with serious bite, M10508 is a powerhouse. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this ultra-cut compound removes deep scratches, acid rain marks, and even sanding marks as fine as 1200 grit. What sets it apart is its micro-abrasive technology. While aggressive in its cutting power, the compound leaves behind a smooth, glossy surface without damaging your clear coat. That balance between cutting and finishing performance is what makes M10508 such a trusted name in the detailing world. It works great whether you're using it by hand or with a machine polisher. Got a DA buffer or rotary tool? You'll love how fast it cuts through imperfections. Prefer working by hand? It still delivers amazing results, though you'll need a little more elbow grease. Plus, it's safe for use in body shops and detailing centers because it's silicone-free and paint shop safe. For those doing serious paint correction, maybe after a rough winter or in prep for resale, this compound gets the job done fast. It's ideal for darker paint finishes where swirl marks tend to show the most. Just follow up with a finishing polish for that deep mirror shine. Third on the list is Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. This is a more user-friendly version of M10508 and perfect for everyday drivers. It's designed for quick results and is beginner-friendly while still offering professional-level performance. If your car's paint looks dull, faded, or scratched, this product brings it back to life with minimal effort. The real magic lies in its micro-abrasive formula. It buffs away light to moderate scratches, oxidation, and water spots without harming your clear coat. Unlike traditional compounds that might haze the surface, Meguiar's Ultimate leaves a clean, glossy finish. One of its biggest strengths is convenience. You can apply it by hand with a microfiber applicator, or pair it with a DA polisher for faster results. Either way, you'll notice a dramatic difference in how your paint looks and feels. Smooth, shiny, and blemish-free. It's also a great choice if you're prepping your car for wax or sealant. By removing surface defects first, you allow those protectants to bond better, lasting longer and looking better. For car owners who want visible improvement without the hassle of a multi-step detail, this product checks all the boxes. It's simple, safe, and delivers that just detailed finish in one step. At number 4, Turtle Wax 50935 Turtle Wax is a trusted name in car care, and their Scratch Repair and Renew formula is a reliable pick for those on a budget. It's built to tackle everything from light scratches and swirl marks to oxidation and water spots, all while adding a bit of long-term protection. The formula contains self-aligning precision platelets and protective resins. That means while it buffs out imperfections, it also leaves behind a clear coat-like barrier that shields your paint from future damage. It's like getting a repair and a protectant in one bottle. Application is quick and easy. You can use a soft microfiber towel or apply it with a machine polisher. The consistency spreads smoothly, and a little goes a long way. This product adapts well. It's not suitable for vinyl, matte finishes, or unpainted plastic, so keep that in mind. But for everyday touch-ups, this Turtle Wax formula is hard to beat at this price point. Last up, Chemical Guys VSS. If you want speed, simplicity, and serious results, VSS is a game changer. It's a one-step product that combines the power of a cutting compound with the finesse of a polish, so you can handle 2 jobs at once. VSS targets light to moderate scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation, and it doesn't just cover them up. This formula actually polishes defects away, leaving behind a glossy, swirl-free finish. That makes it perfect for anyone who wants results fast, without juggling multiple bottles and steps. You can apply it by hand, but the real magic happens with a dual-action polisher. Whether you're a first-timer or seasoned DIYer, the product spreads easily and wipes clean with minimal effort. And because it contains no silicone, fillers, or waxes, what you see is what you get. And it works fast. And that's a wrap on our top 5 best scratch remover for cars, carefully selected from expert reviews and bestseller rankings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech picks. For updated pricing and more info, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks, and we'll see you in the next video.